Hi guys, it's Katie with Flavor Fancy, and today we are going to be making an Italian cream soda fat bomb. You will need MCT oil, an optional garnish, heavy cream, liquid stevia, and your favorite fizzy drink. I'm going to be using mango today. You're going to want to mix together the heavy cream and the MCT oil. You can use liquid if you have it. I only had powder on hand, but just make sure that you get it all mixed together. And then you're going to want to add about 15 drops of stevia. And I add a little bit of the soda to the mixture and then add it to the glass. And then just get a little mix. I don't want to lose all the fuzz. This soda has a macro ratio of 96% fat, 2% carbs, and 2% protein, and 266 calories. Leave a comment below with a recipe you'd like to see me do next. And remember to like and subscribe for more keto treats. Have a wholesome day.